An under-sink water filter is installed under your sink, usually kitchen sink, but any sink works. In addition to the filter, you get tubing and fittings to hook it up to your cold water line. The cold water is diverted through the filter and then out the faucet, ready for you to drink. While there are advantages and disadvantages to the various types of filters, an under-sink water filter provides several key benefits, including convenience, low maintenance, quality value, and of course, filtered water on tap anytime with superior tasting purified water. Established in 1987, CuZn Water Systems Inc., pronounced CuZn, is a reputable water filtration company from Arkansas. CuZn features the best-selling CuZn UC200, a cost-effective, long-lasting under-counter water filter that effectively removes all the harmful chemicals in your water while proving you a clear, crisp taste. Key features of the CuZn UC200 water filter system. The most important feature of any water filter is contaminant elimination, and the CuZn effectively removes harmful contaminants while leaving the essential minerals like magnesium, calcium, and potassium in the water. The system's incredible three-stage filtration process has been tested to NSF standards 42 and 61. This process includes microsediment membranes, which filters undissolved particles, like sand for example. The powerful KDF55 filtration media removes inorganic components like lead and heavy metals. This stage also prevents bacterial growth. The final stage, acid-washed catalytic coconut shell carbon, removes organic contaminants such as chlorine, THMs, herbicides, and pesticides. This stage also targets offensive tastes and odors. One of the best aspects of the CuZn UC200 is the filter's incredible life capacity. The filter will filter up to 50,000 gallons of water before it needs to be replaced. That's typically equivalent to 5 years. In the water filter world, this long-lasting filter life is pretty much unheard of. This system is compact at 4.5 by 4.5 by 15 inches and just 8 pounds. It will easily fit under your sink with plenty of room to spare. The system is constructed with metal, rather than plastic, which increases its durability. Unlike filters that just contain carbon, the CuZn UC200's filter is bacteriostatic, meaning that it won't grow bacteria growth or mold. While the CuZn UC200 will filter most contaminants, it is not a water softener. So it won't resolve issues such as limescale mineral deposits and should not be used for well water. The filter was designed to be used with chlorine-treated water from municipal water supplies. This filter does not come with a separate faucet. Instead, it connects directly to your kitchen's cold water line. Do note that because the UC200 leaves essential minerals intact, it will not reduce TDS readings, so a TDS reader is not effective in this case. However, CuZn recommends measuring chlorine levels with DPD-1 test strips after filtering, which more accurately measures a filter's effectiveness. The UC200 will not reduce water pressure, which is significant since the filter connects directly to your cold water line. The rate of flow is 2 GPM, which works out to be around 27 gallons per day. This is an impressive flow rate and sufficient for even larger households. The CuZn UC200 is manufactured in the USA. CuZn proudly offers a comprehensive 5-year performance warranty and a 90-day satisfaction guarantee. What does this system remove? Through the powerful 3-stage filtration system, the CuZn UC200 efficiently removes a wide variety of organic and inorganic contaminants including chlorine, water-soluble heavy metals, lead, mercury, chromium B, cadmium, etc., herbicides, pesticides, sediment, algae, molds, bad taste, odors, and other undesirable contaminants. While the UC200 reduces these contaminants, it keeps beneficial minerals such as calcium and magnesium. The UC200 does not remove fluoride. What comes with the system? The CuZn is an excellent value. It's surprisingly inexpensive, especially considering all it has to offer. Also, you will be saving money in the long run since you won't need to buy bottled water. With this filtration system, you will get the UC200 filter. A 36 inches long 3/8 by 3/8 braided stainless steel compression hose, brass fittings, and an instruction manual. CuZn reports that new video installations are available on their website. Or you can search UC200 water filter install on YouTube. What to expect with the CuZn UC200 water filter system? Installing this system is incredibly simple, and customers report it takes no longer than 5 minutes. The only tool you will need is an adjustable wrench. All you do is disconnect your existing cold water line and reconnect to the outlet of the UC200. You will then connect the stainless steel hose to the cold water valve and the inlet of the UC200. That's it. If you have non-standard plumbing or want to install a faucet with the UC200, contact customer service, and they will supply an installation kit for all non-standard installations for free. You can expect excellent customer service from CuZn if needed. Users of the UC200 raved about how customer support is friendly, supportive, and go the extra mile. The UC200 is virtually maintenance-free. After you install it, you can forget about it and simply enjoy pure, fresh water always on tap.